Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be downloading some awesome free games. So let's get started. We're going to go right into our Nintendo eShop. And then from here, just log into it. Just let it load up. And once you're there, you guys can just search up here. Just tap on there. Or if you want to look at more games that are free, go into other search filters. That's down here below. Tap on it. And then go down price range. Go into free. From free, go into search. And you're going to see all the free ones that are available right now for your Nintendo. So if we go down, you can see all the purchase ones. Obviously I have those, but there's some that I don't. So for example, if you guys don't have this right here, you can go on and download it at this point in time. All we have to do is just let it load, tap on free download, and then go on and press free download again. So it's going to be on the bottom right hand side. Then you guys can close or go back depending what you guys want, and keep looking for more games, or maybe you're done. So right now we can just scroll down and take a look at our other ones. So we have also this one that I want. So we're gonna go on, we're gonna get this one. And remember, these are free games. They're not demos, they're not trials, they are in fact free games. So we're gonna go on and tap on download again. Then we can just go back and take a look at more. Then from here we also have Overwatch that popped up. This is Overwatch 2. So we can go on and tap on free download. So again, that's free download on the top right hand side. Then let it load up. Again, right hand side on the bottom, this time free download. And here we go. So they're just gonna continue and download. So if you guys find more games that you guys want, just keep downloading them. Obviously, if you run out of space, then maybe a bigger SD card, maybe you guys will need to delete some games for that matter. Again, if you run out of space. So we're gonna go in for the next game right here. We're also gonna tap on free download, which is on the top right hand side of our screen. Free download. And then on the bottom, we're gonna see this. Free download again. And once again, they're supposed to be free. So if I go back, I can see them downloading at this point in time. So the ones I just showed you, they're downloading right now. And we're gonna go back to the exact same spot that we were before. We're gonna download the next one that we want. Obviously, once again guys, if you just wanted to download one of these games, just download that one game. You don't need to download everything. I just want to show you guys how easy it is, and the fact that these all are free games. So you guys can download as many as you guys want, as long as you have enough space on your Nintendo. So we also have this one, and we're gonna go on and tap on it. Same thing, top right hand side, we're gonna see free download. Tap on free download, tap on free download again, and we're downloading the game. So let's just go back. We're gonna press back and we're gonna take a look at other ones that we might like. So for example, we're gonna tap on this one, and once again we're gonna tap on free download. We're gonna go on free download once again, and then that's it. We can go on and tap on back once again, and we have all the ones. Now this is organized by best selling, by the way. Well, not best selling, but the most popular ones. We're gonna go on into the last one that we have for this specific video, which is this one right here. And free download once again, same thing, free download. Again, not a demo, not a trial. These are in fact free games. So right now, just to show you how we're doing this, we're just gonna close all this, and we're just gonna go back. We're gonna close. And we're going to see the download process. So here they are, they're downloading. So that's where you guys can see the downloading process for each one of these. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.